Welcome back to the channel. Today I was out flying my drone and pissed off some birds or something, like I'm around their nest or something. But I was messing with my settings and I don't even have a sky now. And that sky is supposed to be blue. I mean, it was just pure blue today. I'm going to see if I can move over here and see if I can get away from that nest. I don't know what kind of birds they are, but they're pissed off. Can't see off in the distance. No, they followed me. There they are. Hopefully one of them don't knock the drone out of the sky. They almost look like little baby hawks, but I don't think that many hawks fly together. Ooh, that was close. Well, I'm going to land it. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching.